So I just want to see how it looks on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we can go ahead and pop my phone right into this case right here. Voila. And here it is. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Speck Presidio Perfect-Mist case with MagSafe for none other than my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. Now, before we start getting this guy out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to Speck, though, for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, Speck. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says Presidio Perfect-Mist. It says built-in magnets, and it's also got some arrows pointing them because it is compatible with MagSafe. It's got a clear guarantee, 13-foot drop protection, and a warranty. Over here, you can actually see the case through the clearness, and it says Speck right here, and it is indeed for the new iPhone 6.7-inch 2021, which is the iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So over here on the back of the box, we can also see that, once again, clear and guarantee, compatible with MagSafe, lifetime warranty, 13-foot drop protection, and antimicrobial product protection as well. But anyway, let's just start getting this box open and checking out the case. So here it is. Talk about an easy unboxing experience. This is the case itself. So first impression, I think this color right here is pretty cool. It is sort of like a translucent dark gray right there. So I just want to see how it looks on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we can go ahead and pop my phone right into this case right here. Voila. And here it is. And that's pretty cool. So when the case is on it, you can't really tell that it's a translucent case. It just looks like a gray case right here with my Sierra Blue. But I do think this shade of gray definitely complements the Sierra Blue pretty well. And yeah, another impression, this is a pretty smooth, probably slippery case right here, especially on the back. But yeah, it seems like the same material is on the side. So that's just something to note. I did just unbox, if you are looking for a grippier case as well, this Speck case right here, the Presidio Perfect Clear with grips. It also has MagSafe compatibility, as you can tell. So feel free to check out that video as well. I'll have a link to that down in the description. And Speck did send me this case out for free in order to make a video about it as well. So feel free to check that out. But anyway, back to the Perfect-Mist right here. So now let's take a tour of this case. Right here we got the Speck logo, MagSafe magnets, and this is pretty interesting. I guess when Speck does their MagSafe compatibility, they don't leave a little space between the magnets because, like, for example, here on Apple's clear MagSafe case, there's a space between them, but for Specs, they're connected. So that's kind of interesting right there, at least the design of the case. Over here on the side, we've got volume buttons. Let's see how those feel. Okay, they feel pretty much just like standard volume buttons. You do have to apply a bit of force right there. And over here on this side, we do have a cutout for the mute switch, so we can play around with this as well. Silent mode on, silent mode off, and let's leave it on right there. Over here at the bottom, we do have a cutout for the lightning port, as well as cutouts right here for the speaker grills as well. And on the corners of this case, we do have these little sort of like impact areas right there. I'm guessing that's what these are because they're on the bottom and they're also on the top. And over here, we do have the side button if you want to talk to Siri or put your iPhone to sleep. And over here on the back, we do also have a cutout for the huge iPhone 13 Pro Max camera array. So first impressions of this case in the hand, once again, it definitely feels slippery. Just something to note right there. But I do like the way it looks, and it definitely feels slim for sure. But let's check out that MagSafe compatibility now. So right here I have my Apple MagSafe battery pack. We can just slap it on and boom, it is charging. So yes, MagSafe obviously does work with this case. Makes sense right there. But if we just want to double check, we could check with another accessory as well. So right here I have actually my very own Apple MagSafe charging puck. We can slap this down and put my iPhone on top of it in this Speck case, and boom, that works as well, which definitely makes sense because once again, this is a MagSafe case. But yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this Speck Presidio Perfect-Mist case right here. If you want it for yourself, it'll set you back about $55. And yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think of this case down in the comments. Do you have it for yourself? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 13 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my link in the description to my playlist of all the different iPhone 13 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel to help you guys find the perfect case just for you. And also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one and more iPhone 13 Pro Max case videos. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.